Hi, I'm Deb, and this is still not my kitchen because we are still on vacation in our beautiful hilltop hideaway overlooking the Pacific Ocean, which means I am only making stuff that is fun and easy, and customizing our food just the way we like it is fun. So today I'm going to show you how I customize the classic grilled cheese sandwich to make it an event instead of just a meal. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my custom grilled cheese sandwiches, the ingredients I'll be using are artisan thick-cut bread, and I like to offer both wheat and white and let people choose their favorite. Softened butter or margarine, grated parmesan cheese, a selection of sliced cheeses. I'm using American, mozzarella, Swiss, mild cheddar, and provolone. I let everyone design their own sandwich, which is the heart and soul of this meal, and everyone just loves it. The first thing is to take their orders. So I put together a small menu which gives them their choice of bread, up to 3 cheeses, and whether they want their sandwich grilled with plain or Parmesan butter. First, I mix up some Parmesan butter for grilling. My ratio is about 4 parts butter to 1 part Parmesan. So for this batch, I'm using 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of Parmesan. Next, I butter one side only of each slice of bread and then stack them butter side to butter side. In this case, I'm using Parmesan butter on the wheat bread and plain butter on the white bread. I assemble my sandwiches on my cold griddle and then grill them until the cheese is melted and the sandwiches are golden brown. To serve, I slice my sandwiches on the diagonal and make it fun by replacing plates with plastic burger baskets lined with checkerboard sandwich papers. We like to serve ours with chips or fruit and definitely a mug of hot tomato soup. This is a quick and easy meal that's great anytime. It's a huge family pleaser because everyone gets to choose what they want. Custom grilled cheese is a delicious, fun way to bring your family to the dinner table where family is built. Because if you feed them, they will come.
All to the fan.